How's it going, fellas? In today's video, I'm about to show you how we can get the Murder Mystery 2 script, which you can get for Roblox and only through the Delta executor. And you can get them for both iOS and Android devices. So sit back, relax, let me guide you through the full step-by-step process that we need to do on how we can get the Murder Mystery 2 script. So fellas, I have the Murder Mystery 2 script right here that I'm about to execute and show you what this is all about. After that, I will guide you through each and every step that needs to be applied in today's tutorial on how you can get the Murder Mystery 2 script, or MM2, call it whatever you want. What matters is that this is a game changer right here. You can see it loading up just like that. And starting with the home section, auto farming section, you can enable coin auto farm. You can enable each and every single one of these stuffs, guys, right here. Configure it on your very own, use it however you want, and the gameplay part will be left for you guys. You see the console, you see all the stuff that you can do with it, basically. So now let me guide you through each and every step on how you can get the MM2 script or the Murder Mystery 2 script, basically. Within a few simple steps, it will all be possible. So make sure to have your Wi-Fi on, do not use any type of VPN connections, and go to blockstreaks.com. So any browser can come in handy, but make sure to go to blockstreaks.com. Right there, you will scroll down a bit and find a script selector. Launch that tool and search for Murder Mystery 2. So type it in just like I am right here. Boom, and then you will find it. Get the script by clicking on it, and then you will need to enter your username. So enter it right here, guys. Enter the correct one because you will need to be found, of course. And now we will tap on the next button, and then you will select a hub. So Forge Hub will go perfectly well for Murder Mystery 2, even other games, plenty of other games, so you won't miss with Forge Hub, guys. So select it for Murder Mystery 2. Now you will have a step-by-step tutorial for this last step right here that needs to be completed. So how do you go about it, fellas? You will have two options to choose from. The first option will be to open up a questionnaire, answer those simple questions by literally just following what they ask you. You just answer them, and that is the faster alternative for you to complete this whole process. Or you can go ahead and open up an app. From here, you'll be redirected to the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure to read what it says from you in the description, because some apps will tell you to play 3 games for 5 minutes each or to reach some specific level. Anyways, it will be fast, and this whole process with all steps will take you 3 or 4 minutes of your time. And that is all, fellas. I really hope this was useful and that you got your very own Murder Mystery 2 script. If not, leave a comment down below. I will gladly guide you further. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Goodbye.